how to edit videos on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search CapCut app. After search CapCut app, click on install. After click on install, you will see your app is installing. Start. After installing app is showing on your app screen. Click on open. If you want to edit videos, click on continue and agree and click on edit. Click on new video and select video from here. After select video, click on new video and you will see edit from here. After editing, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.